How could that not have occurred to you, with all due respect? You were going to take a free holiday from someone you consider a friend. How could it not have occurred to you that that might not have been okay?
No. The fact is, we work sorry, let me just try to reorder the thoughts. We worked with the lobby conflict of interest commissioner on a regular basis on a broad range of issues when the issues come up. On this issue of a family vacation with a personal friend, it wasn't considered that there would be an issue there. Obviously, there was a mistake. Say to
yourself, this is not maybe the best thing to do. You never thought that?
Aga Khan is someone who has been a longtime friend of my family's, a friend of mine, a friend to Canada as well. And for me to look for a place to have a quiet vacation where I can have quality family time is something we all look for with our families.
After a year-long investigation, Ethics Commissioner Mary Dawson found the Prime Minister broke 4 rules by staying on the Aga Khan's private island in the Bahamas, by taking his private helicopter to get there, by holding private meetings about the Aga Khan's endowment fund, and by failing to protect himself from a potential conflict of interest. The Ethics Commissioner did say, though, that there was no evidence Trudeau discussed any House of Commons business with the Ismaili spiritual leader. But as Katie Simpson tells us, there was also a blunt assessment of Trudeau's ethics and his relationship with the Aga Khan.
Justin Trudeau now becomes the first Prime Minister to break Canada's federal ethics laws.
I take full responsibility for this. This was a family vacation that I am responsible for, and I take responsibility.
The forced apology followed the Ethics Commissioner's damning findings that Trudeau violated the ethics code, which has been in place for a decade. The watchdog says the Caribbean trip could be seen as a way to influence the Prime Minister, since the Aga Khan is registered to lobby the government. Trudeau should have also asked permission before accepting that ride on the Aga Khan's private helicopter.
We respect and obviously accept the full report of the Commissioner. We will make sure that moving forward we are much more proactive about even personal family vacations with family friends.
The investigation revealed this was the Trudeau family's 3rd visit to the island since 2014. The Prime Minister's wife, Sophie Gregoire Trudeau, organized 2 of the trips herself.
I think it is a serious lapse in judgment for the Prime Minister not to realize that there was a conflict in the first place. To me, is a tremendous lack of judgment.
Trudeau had argued he did nothing wrong because the Aga Khan is a longtime family friend and there are some friendship exceptions within the rules. But other than time the pair spent together at Pierre Trudeau's funeral, the Commissioner said they had no personal contact over a 30-year period. That is, until Trudeau became leader of the Liberal Party. The opposition is frustrated that there is no punishment for Trudeau other than the embarrassment of being found guilty.
The Ethics Commission does not have the power to do anything. There's actually no consequences to this finding.
Merry Christmas.
And even though he's walking away without any sanctions, it's not the way he'd hoped to start the holiday season. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Ottawa.